Namaste. Today we're exploring the open-air Asian market or farmers market here in Kathmandu. First, I'd like to give a shout out to our all our new subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing if you have an interest in Nepal. We are building our channel to be the premier information channel for tourists for Nepal. So come along with us as we explore an open-air Asian market or farmers market in Kathmandu. Today we're at the Sherpa Farmers Market. As you can see, this isn't a scary place at all. We went here prior to the pandemic and lockdown, but these farmers markets are a tradition in Kathmandu, so you can easily find them when you get here. If you're traveling with children, they will be happy to spend a Saturday morning here. There are many locally grown food items, mostly organic, handcrafts made by women's initiatives, fresh food, and plenty of outdoor seating. As you can see, I enjoyed all three of my favorite pastimes: talking to people, touching stuff, and shopping. These handcrafts were made of recycled materials by a women's initiative. There are usually several farmers markets on Saturdays throughout Kathmandu. This farmers market is at the Sherpa guest house. You can check out the map at the end of this video for other locations. These are mostly organic and homegrown products, and a lot of the things are made by women's initiatives. I found a lot of tourists and expats here at the farmers market to chat it up with, people from all over the world. I ran into a couple of old Nepali friends and even a mother of a winner of the Miss Nepal Beauty Contest. So you never know who you're going to run into. Most guest houses allow guests to store a few things in the refrigerator. So if you've been missing your favorite cheese or something, you might be able to bring something back to your guest house. One thing I found this day is my favorite honey. It's churi honey, thicker and lighter in color than normal honey. This jar was well under $10 and so delicious. If you were to really like something like the honey, most of the vendors can mail things home for you. We found Western comfort foods that aren't always easy to find in Nepal, like cheese, and some Western vegetables and fruits like avocados and beetroot. If you are getting ready for a trek, you'll find nuts and dried fruits, teas, and so many other delicious treats. They might not last till you get up into the high country. These spicy Nepali pickles make a great gift for your Nepali host. Soaps and candles are excellent values here in Nepal and really make great souvenirs to take back home. If you're going on a rural homestay, a fruiting plant or tree make an excellent gift. We found a great food court with well-prepared dishes from all over the world. You'll find lots of places to enjoy food. There was also a nice selection of wine. There are usually several NGOs that you could connect with if you want to volunteer or find a good project to help fund.